How do I unfreeze the water line in my Samsung refrigerator?
Hello everyone! If you have a Samsung refrigerator and you've noticed that your water dispenser isn't working properly, it could be because the water line has frozen. Don't worry. Today, we're going to show you how to unfreeze the water line in your Samsung refrigerator step by step.
What are the signs of a frozen water line?
First, let's discuss how you can tell if your water line is frozen. The most common sign is if your water dispenser stops working or if it dispenses water slowly. You might also notice that your ice maker is not making ice. If you notice any of these signs, it's quite possible that the water line in your refrigerator is frozen.
What materials do I need?
To get started, you'll need just a few materials. They include a hairdryer, a towel, that's it. You won't need any special equipment or expertise for this task.
How do I unfreeze the water line?
Now, onto the actual steps to unfreeze the water line. Here's what you need to do. 1. Disconnect your refrigerator from the power source. This is a safety measure to protect you and your refrigerator. 2. Locate the water line. The water line is usually located at the back of your Samsung refrigerator. 3. Protect the area around your refrigerator. Place a towel around the base of the refrigerator. This is to catch any water that may come out during the thawing process. 4. Start thawing the water line. Using your hairdryer, aim warm air directly at the water line. Make sure to move the hairdryer around and not to concentrate the heat on one spot for too long to avoid damaging your refrigerator. 5. Wait and check. After several minutes, check if the water dispenser or ice maker is working again. If not, continue applying heat. Congratulations! You now know how to unfreeze the water line in your Samsung refrigerator. Always remember to work with safety in mind when dealing with appliances. If your water line frequently freezes or if you're not comfortable performing this task, don't hesitate to contact a professional. We hope this video was helpful to you.